by Mr. Projects. In this video you're going to see some intercooler piping, you're going to see the very first start after we put the motor in, so let's get into it. You just saw of us starting the car. We had lots of issues with oil pressure. Cut a long story short, we packed it full of oil and grease and all that kind of stuff. The only way to get oil pressure was to start the car. So we started the car, got oil pressure instantly. These are all the sorts of things that I don't put in my video because I don't think it's going to be that interesting for everybody watching. But if you want to see things like that, you just leave a comment, let me know that's what you want to see. There was also problems with the fuel system that we had, so we went in tank Walbro 460 and we done a turbo smart fuel regulator, FP 800 I think it is, and now we got really good fuel pressure, mint. So these are all the sorts of things that I don't put in the videos for a reason, because it's pretty boring and most people out there don't want to see me pulling fuel tanks out and changing fuel lines. So, but if you do want to see that, leave a comment and let me know. This is now pretty much complete. I have ordered a new airflow meter. I'm not going to run the stock one anymore. I got a Z32 with a new plug that we have to wire in. I'm still waiting on that to come, but the car is complete. It's running. Everything has been swapped, changed, rearranged. You could just imagine the amount of work that's gone into this. Now it's forged, proper welded up pipes, new airflow meter coming. What more could you ask for? Save up some money for some rego and then my churn, and it'll be on the road. I know this video has been very short, but I just thought I'd chuck it out there, let everybody see what I'm up to. It'll be a few weeks, and we should be on the dyno. I'm going to try and sneak some videos in because I'm going to go down on a Saturday and see what sort of power it's going to make. But thanks for watching, and this is pretty much where I'm at. It's pretty much done. Cheers. Leave your thumbs up.